Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Nirav here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about connective words in IELTS writing. But before I start, I would like to give you information about my applications. If you want to download my applications, here is QR code. Just scan this code and download all my applications. And if you want to download it through URL, as always, you will get link in the description box below. So the first question is, what is connective word? So you can say phrase. It connects two sentences, or you can say two clauses. It can be dependent, it can be independent. So in easy words, it connects two sentences. Now you know what is connective word. Now the second question is how to use connective words. Well, I do not have any perfect answer for this question because each and every connective word has its own meaning. So if you want to utilize connective words, if you want to use connective words, you have to understand meaning of connective words. Of course, later on in this video, I will share a list of connective words. But here, first, I would like to share some advantages. So basically, there are 4 advantages. So let's start with the first one. So the first advantage is to start a new sentence. Yes, you heard it correctly, to start a new sentence. Mostly students are using connective words to connect two sentences. Yes, you can use, but you can use connective words to start a new sentence. Like, let's say, firstly and start. On another side and start. So this way, you can start new sentence with a connective word. So guys, that's it for the first advantage. So second advantage is less errors. From my point of view, you can at least use 10 connective words in writing task 1. And as you are knowing, minimum requirement is 150 words. So you will have security of 10 words. No grammatical errors, no spelling mistakes. I know, amount is very small. But in IELTS examination, each word has its own importance. So secure your 10 words, use connective words. So guys, that's it for second advantage. So the third advantage is proper essay and report structure. Mostly students are facing problems in essay and report structure. Like how to start a new sentence, how to connect two sentences, how to avoid repetition, how to maintain rhythm, flow, consistency, how to present ideas. So mostly students are facing all these problems. But there is only one resolution. Start using connective words. Of course, later on in this video, I will share a list of connective words. So start using connective words. Yes, in initial phase, you may face some problems, but later on it will be like piece of cake for you. Once you will have list in your mind, you will not face any problem. So watch this video till the end, collect list of connective words and then start utilizing. So guys, that's it for the third advantage. Fourth one is the most important one, that is less repetition. Now you must have one question in your mind. How to reduce repetition with the help of connective words? Let me answer. You can use connective words at the beginning of sentence. You can use connective words to connect two sentences. So with the help of connective words, you can reduce repetition. Now, let me explain one very basic example. Let's say I can dance, I can sing. Here I have used I can twice, right? Now, instead of that, I can dance and sing. So the same way, use connective words to reduce repetition. So this is the most important advantage of connective words. So guys, now I will share a list of connective words. So guys, use connective words to achieve high band score in IELTS writing. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. If you like, do not hesitate, straight away hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you are a new user and watching my video first time, hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notifications. If you have any question in your mind, do not hesitate, comment box is for you. I will talk to you there. If you want to do proper IELTS practice, try my applications. Here is QR code. Just scan this code and download all my applications. And if you want to download it through URL, as always, you will get link in the description box below. So soon I will come back with new study material and tips for you. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.